Quick question. Imagine you are at an international airport and the airline staff asks you questions in English. Would you know what to say? Today, you will practice real airport conversations with me, so don't just listen, speak out loud. Hi, I'm Teacher Aysan. In this challenge, I'll play the airport staff and you'll play the passenger. I'll ask questions and then I'll give you a few seconds to answer. And after that, I'll show you natural answers. Good morning. May I see your passport, please? Sure, here you go. Where are you flying today? I'm flying to London. Do you have any bags to check in? No, just my carry-on bag. Would you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat? I'd like a window seat, please. Perfect. Here is your boarding pass. Thank you very much. Please place your bags on the conveyor belt. Okay, no problem. Do you have any liquids or electronics in your bag? Yes, I have a laptop. Please walk through the scanner. Sure. May I see your boarding pass? Of course, here it is. Are you traveling alone today? Yes, I am. Have a nice flight. Thank you. Can I help you? Yes, please. Where's gate 24? Go straight ahead and turn left. Thank you for your help. Unfortunately, your flight has been delayed. Oh, really? How long is the delay? About 2 hours. Okay, thank you for the information. We'll keep you updated. I appreciate it. How can I help you? I missed my connecting flight. What was your final destination? I'm traveling to Toronto. Let me find another flight for you. Thank you. I'd really appreciate that. How can I help you today? I can't find my boarding pass. Do you have your passport? Yes, I do. No problem. I can print a new one. Thank you so much. Your suitcase is overweight. Oh, how much does it weigh? It's 5 kilograms over the limit. Can I remove some items? Yes, of course. Great, thank you. What's the purpose of your visit? I'm here for business. How long will you stay? I'll stay for 1 week. Where will you be staying? I'll be staying at a hotel in downtown Chicago. Enjoy your stay. Thank you. How can I help you? My luggage didn't arrive. Can you describe your suitcase? It's a large black suitcase with a red tag. Please fill out this form. Sure. How long will it take to find it? We'll contact you as soon as possible. Thank you. I appreciate your help. And what would you do if your flight was cancelled? Leave your answer in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more Speak With Me challenges.